Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to attach accessories to your kayak. Now, if you've seen any of the Battle of the Baits episodes, you've seen me whoop up on Luke, but what you don't see is behind the scenes all the accessories and attachments it takes to pull it off. So today we're going to be showing you how to properly attach things to your kayak. All right, guys, so this right here is our most important part. This is our accessory that holds our GoPro, and you know we don't have a show without that. So this is a cheap accessory that you can find online, and usually we just leave it on, but for the sake of this video and showing you how to do it, we're gonna show you how to take it off and how to install it. The first thing you wanna know when removing a rivet is you don't wanna use a drill bit too large. If you do, you're gonna end up making the hole of your rivet too large, which means it's not gonna hold it tight. Make sure you drill it straight down and not at an angle. These are the rivets we use. They're made by Yak Gear, but there are a ton of other really great brands out there. You just want to make sure that your rivets aren't going to rust. If you're going to own a boat, it's a good idea to own a rivet gun. You can buy them pretty cheap from any hardware store. Now, when you go to insert your rivet, you want to make sure the hole is large enough for your rivet to fit. Once you got it in there, all you do is tighten it down and you're ready to go. Our camera mount is on, and it really is that easy. Now, usually when you're using accessories and water, you want to make sure you're using some type of silicone for the holes, but because it's on the top of our kayak, we're not going to worry about it as much. Now let's talk about accessories that require a bolt, like this paddle clip. Whenever you start installing accessories that have a bolt on one side and a nut on the other, you need to make sure you spend some time planning where it's going to go. The reason being is you're going to need some type of access port so you can tighten your bolt on the inside of the kayak. The next best option is to use some type of screw. Now, this shouldn't be your first option because obviously a bolt is going to hold something much tighter, but it'll get the job done. Now, just as a reminder, if any of your accessories are going to be getting wet, please make sure you're using some type of silicone because you don't want to, sink, because that would suck. Now, let me know if you got any more tips for me on adding accessories to your kayak. Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you're checking out the all-new episodes of Battle of the Baits coming to you every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the river, I'm Ashla Taylor.